Ever wondered why your beautiful garden plants wilt and die suddenly, despite your best efforts? The culprit might be those tiny, uninvited pests. Insects, slugs, and snails are common nuisances in many gardens. These pests can cause a myriad of problems, from chewing holes in your plant's leaves to causing disease that can ravage your entire garden. They can be particularly damaging to young seedlings and flowering plants. But don't worry, we have a solution that's not only effective but also organic and eco-friendly. Now let's dive into some organic methods that will help you protect your garden from these pesky invaders. First off, consider introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises. These little heroes are nature's pest control, feasting on common garden pests like aphids and caterpillars. Next, think about using organic pesticides. These are derived from natural sources and contain substances like neem oil, pyrethrin, or diatomaceous earth. They're safe for the environment and won't harm your beneficial bugs. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of physical barriers. A simple net can protect your plants from birds, while copper tape can deter slugs and snails. You could also try a row cover to keep out insects while letting in sunlight and water. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy, thriving garden. The best part? They're all completely organic and safe for the environment. Remember, consistency and patience are key when it comes to organic pest control. So, are you ready to reclaim your garden from these tiny troublemakers? It's time to roll up your sleeves and implement these organic pest control methods. They're not just effective, but also eco-friendly, safe for other wildlife, and a wonderful way to contribute to a healthier planet. Imagine the satisfaction when your garden thrives, free from harmful pests, yet buzzing with beneficial insects and birds. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more garden tips and tricks. Happy gardening!